Well, happy Thursday. There have not been any recaps this week because there's not been any trades happening. Very boring markets, but we finally got through FOMC yesterday and the markets were moving and grooving today. I had one of the fastest trades I have potentially ever had, if not, at least in my memory. We're going to go and recap that now. So one and done session. It was enjoyable. Let's go and get into today's recaps. This was done by 20, 50K Apex funded accounts. You can use code TBM for the best discount always with those. Let's get into it. Good morning. We are pulled off of the highs a little bit. So the high, overnight highs, we swept into 400 for new all-time highs and then dumped off of 400 down 320 points, something like that. And everything seems to be moving more normally so far. We'll see if that continues. But all right, news on the session chat. We've got nothing during the stream. Bowman speaking, but that's it. My phone is broken, chat. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max or whatever they call it. And it's stuck on like an endless restart loop. It'll turn on for 2 minutes, reset itself, and rinse and repeat. So, look, it's doing it again. I will be getting a new phone today, I guess. And they don't have any of the Pro Maxes in stock, so I'm going to be going down in size. Size doesn't matter, we all know this, but I'll be losing a ½ inch of screen space. All right, we got volume down here, chat. We are officially 140 points, 150 points, 70 points off of the highs of opening range. All right, we got a block below, chat. 1,500 sitting at 35. Wowzers. That's a big one. Have we seen more than 1,500 in a while? I feel like 1,500 is pretty massive. I mean, it is massive. But I don't really feel like we've pushed more than 1,500 in a long time. Usually it's like 1,000. I can't remember ever seeing 2,000 really. 1,500 is a lot. Man, nice rips off the lows, huh? Well, this is a significantly more exciting opening than any other day this week, I feel like. Got a nice V bottom so far. Okay, I wonder if we're going to roll over off VWAP. We got liquidity higher. And we got yesterday's close, 250, or 260, I guess. If we pop through VWAP, I think the 100-point move up into yesterday's close is very much on the table. Wow, we ended up rolling off of VWAP a little bit. I just don't fully trust the roll yet. Retested the overnight lows at 80 could be kind of interesting. Okay. 2 seconds, maybe less. That was very fast. Just think, if that was any other day this week, that trade would have taken 15 minutes. Just a great example of sometimes there's markets where you don't have to force too much, and then sometimes there's markets that are just not it. A lot of this week has just not been it, honestly, at least in the mornings. And we have good movement right now, and it's so much more enjoyable to trade. I have like a little window right now to be able to use our car. Julia's car has got a flat tire, which is getting fixed today. But she's having to use my truck for everything. So I'm biking around everywhere. But I have a little opportunity right now to go get a new phone, so I'm going to do that. So one and done for me, chat. Sorry for the quick early end. It's not that early, I guess, but good session. Good movement. Be safe out there. Enjoy the rest of the session. I'll be trading it once I get a new phone. Be smart, be patient. Don't do anything stupid. And we will see you tomorrow morning at Market Open. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. Peace, everybody.